Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to draw day trends on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart, and at the left side you can see lots of tools. So once you hover over this on in the screen, now you can see the forecasting and measurement tools. So once you click over there, and just down below the screen you can see the day trends option. You need to click on that option, and now you'll be able to draw day trends successfully. So basically this is how you can draw a day trends on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that we can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.